Good evening students. Now I am teaching NCERT or CBSE grade 10 first number system. In number system, which topic I am teaching? Real numbers. So in real number means what? The combination of rational and irrational is called real numbers. So rational number means what? A number can be written in the form of P by Q form. Okay, where P and Q are integer, Q is not equal 0 is called rational number. Q dash irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are denoted by Q dash or S. The numbers cannot be written in the form of P by Q form. Okay, the numbers are called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are denoted by Q dash or S. So real number means what? The combination of rational and irrational. So these numbers can be written in the form of P by Q form. These numbers cannot be written in the form of P by Q form. Okay, so in rational numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers are there. Okay, all natural numbers, all whole numbers, all integers are rational numbers. But rational numbers are need not be natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. So in real number chapter, we discuss about the topics Euclid division lemma, fundamental theorem of arithmetic, decimals, next proof of root 2, root 3, root 5 and so on are irrational numbers. So first topic, Euclid division lemma. So Euclid division lemma means the word is new one, but this rule already we know that in lower section, that means in 6th, 7th, 8th grades, already we know that what is the division rule? Dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Same here also same, but here we take the letters. What are the letters? A is equal B into Q plus R. Okay, where A is the dividend, B is the divisor, Q the quotient, R is the remainder. Okay, when you divide any number or any number divide with any digit or numbers, we can get the remainder either 0 or greater than 0. The remainder values is always 0 or greater than 0. So the remainder values or values is greater than or equal to 0, and also it is less than the divisor. The value of remainder is always less than the divisor. So this is the relation between remainder and divisor. So from this two we can write as 0 less than or equal to remainder less than or equal to divisor. Okay, so this is Euclid division. So this Euclid division lemma we can use to find HCF. Okay, HCF means highest common factor. Okay, for finding the HCF we can use the Euclid division lemma. Okay, for example, here 10 and 30. Find the HCF between 10 and 13. So how we can find 13? 10 1 ja, 10 3, 3 3 ja, 9, 1 3, 3 3 ja, 0. So here we can write the Euclid division lemma, that is 13 is equal 10 into 1 plus 3. Next 10 is equal 3 into 3 plus 1. 3 is equal 1 into 3 plus 0. Where you can get the remainder 0 at divisor 1. So the divisor 1 is called HCF of 10 and 13. Okay, next second topic, fundamental theorem of arithmetic. What is called fundamental theorem of arithmetic means any composite number can be written as product of power of prime numbers. Okay, that is called fundamental theorem of arithmetic or prime factorization method. Okay, any composite number can be written as product of power of prime numbers. So composite number means what? A number having factors are more than 2. More than 2. What are the two? 1 and itself. Any number which having factors are more than 1 and itself. Okay, that number is called composite number. Okay, that composite number can be written as product of power of prime numbers. Okay, prime number means what? A number having only two factors. There are 1 and itself. Okay, so that is called fundamental theorem of arithmetic. For example, we can take that 30. Okay, 30 is a composite number. Why? Because the 30 having factors are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Okay, the 30 having more than two factors. Okay, 30 is a composite number. The 30 we can write as product of power of prime numbers. How we can write? By using division or tree method. Okay, division. 2 15 you can divide with prime numbers. Okay, 3 5 ja, 5 1 ja. So the 30 we can add as 2 into 3 into 5. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. Okay, like this any number can be write as product of prime numbers. That method is called fundamental theorem of arithmetic or prime factorization method. Okay, next decimals. Decimals means what? A point which is lie in between digits of a number. That point is called decimal point. Okay, for example, this is a number 10.09425. Okay, this is a number. So the number having digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. In the 7 digits we can put the 1 point between. Okay, that point is called decimal point. This point is called decimal point. Before the decimal point, the digits of the number is called whole number, whole part. After the decimal point, the digits of number is called decimals. Okay, so decimals having two types. There are terminating decimals, next non-terminating decimals. Okay, terminating decimals means the decimals which are countable. That means 1 decimal, 2 decimal, 3 decimal, like this we can countable. That is called terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals means the decimals cannot be countable. Okay, uncountable decimals are called non-terminating decimals. Again, in these non-terminating decimals, again there is two types are there. What are they? Non-terminating repeating decimals or recurring decimals. Next, non-terminating non-repeating decimals or non-recurring decimals. Okay, so terminating decimals can be written in the form of P by Q form by using exponent form. Okay, non-terminating decimals here, these decimals are divided in two types. There are repeating and non-repeating, recurring or non-recurring. The non-terminating repeating decimals can be written in the form of P by Q form by using period and periodicity. Period and periodicity. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimals cannot be written in the form of P by Q form. So therefore these numbers are called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Okay, next, proof of root 2, root 3, root 5 and so on irrational numbers. How we can prove for these numbers? By using contradiction method. How we can prove? By using contradiction method. Contradiction method means let us take these numbers are not irrational numbers. Take as these numbers are rational numbers. Finally, we can prove these are not rational numbers, these are irrational numbers.